Hi, fourth grade, it's me, Miss Belts. We are going to continue working on rounding to the nearest 1,000 and 10,000. Make sure you have a sharpened pencil and make sure you have your paper that says Friday. And let's get started. So the first number we're going to look at is 30,958, and we're going to round this to the nearest 1,000. So the first thing I'm going to do is decide where my thousands place is at, and I'm going to underline it. So I'm going to put an underline under my 0, because that's where my thousands place is at. And if I have 0 thousands, that means that I have 0. But I still have my 10,000s, which is worth 3 10,000s, which is 30,000. So on my number line, I'm going to go ahead and draw it, and I'm going to draw my tick marks for this section of the number line I'm looking at. And we just said that this first one is going to be 30,000. And if I'm counting by thousands, if this is 30,000, that means this is 31,000. And I'm going to do my midline, which is going to be right about here, and I'm going to label it, which is 30,500. Now I have to decide where 30,958 is going to go. So I know that 30,958 is greater than 30,000. I know that it is greater than 30,500. And I know that it is less than 31,000. So I'm going to go ahead and place it on my number line. And it's going to go pretty close to 31,000. So I'm going to put a red dot, and I'm going to label it with 30,958. And then I have to decide, is 30,958 closer to 30,000, or is it closer to 31,000? That's right, it's closer to 31,000. It's almost touching it because it's so close. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a line to 31,000, and I'm going to circle it. Then I'm going to fill in my sentence stem. So I have 30,958 rounded to the nearest 1,000 is 31,000. Make sure you have all of this shown on your paper before moving to the next problem. So for this problem, we are still going to use the number 30,958, but instead of rounding it to the nearest 1,000, we're going to round it to the nearest 10,000. So the first thing I'm going to do is decide where my 10,000s place is at, and it's right here, where my 3 is at. And if I have 3 10,000s, I have 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. So I'm going to use that to help me with my number line. So I'm going to draw my number line. I'm going to have my 2 tick marks that show my starting and ending spot for this part of the number line. We just said that, sorry about that, that this is going to be 30,000 right here. And that this, if we're counting by 10,000s, that means this will be 40,000. And I'm going to find my midway point, which is going to be right here. And I'm going to label it with 35,000. Now I have to decide where 30,958 is going to go. Well, I know 30,958 is greater than 30,000. And I know that 30,958 is less than 35,000. So that tells me that it's going to go somewhere on this part of the number line. 30,958 is actually going to go somewhere around here. It's going to go pretty close over here. And I'm going to put a red dot there, and I'm going to go ahead and label it. And I'm going to say that it's closer to 30,000. So I'm going to fill in my number line. I'm sorry, I'm going to circle it. And then I'm going to fill in my sentence stem. So 30,958 rounded to the nearest 10,000 is, and I'm going to fill that in with 30,000. Make sure you have all of this shown on your paper. And after you've shown all of your work, remember you're going to do the other 2 questions underneath these. Then make sure you go back into your Google forum and answer all of the questions that are on there. Don't forget to hit submit when you are finished. Keep working hard. I'll see you later.